Hi, I'm going to show you how to FTP file transfer protocol your web pages from your desktop to your website. The reason why I do that is so people can see your website from the internet. So let's get started. And if you can remember with the last tutorial we ended in our cPanel. So when we log in, here's our domain name, right? That's where we go to, our URL. And I have it pulled up on a separate tab, and you can see, remember that? It said your website's up and running, delete this page. This is up on the web right now, but it is 000 web hosting's default page. So we're going to change that to something else. So we're going to go to here. Now we're going to go to cPanel. And cPanel has some really important information for FTP. It has your domain name, username. It won't have your password. You're going to need to know your password. So, as you can see, we have FileZilla. Remember I asked you to install it? We have it down here. And it's a really easy program to use. So, we are now going to log into our website using FTP File Transfer Protocol using FileZilla. So, upper left click, see that? It says open the site manager. Click on it. And you see when you first open it up, it has no sites, no nothing. So just click on new site, which is going to be your site. And for the new site, just put school website, the host name. This is where you need your files. This is where you need your webhost.com. Webhost is your domain, which is mine is ELLIX41071 at, .host22.com. And I'm just going to type that in under host. Don't have to worry about the port. FTP, use plain FTP. The one thing you're going to want to change is log type to normal, which means it's going to ask you for your username and password. Logon type is normal. You cannot log into this anonymously. So we're going to zip back here. Your username, which it assigned to you. Again, left click, smear, copy, which is Control C. See? Left click, smear, Control C, back to FileZilla, and the username, instead of being anonymous, will be whatever the username is. Now we will do password, and I'm just going to type in my password as we go and say OK. When I go back to my site now, it's all here. See it? The reason we did the OK, if you did connect, it may or may not save. You're going to want it to save because you're going to use this a lot. So, school website, user, password. Now, click on connect. And you saw that little action up top. This right here is this is called your root. Now, your root contains the folder for your main website. Contains the folder. That's important. If you upload your pages right here, you'll never see them. What you have to go into is, let me spread this out a little bit, where it says public HTML. Public HTML is where you can see the web. So let's click on that. And remember that default PHP? Let's go back to the website really quickly. See? And it said right here, please delete the file default PHP by using FTP or the web-based file manager, which is there, which is on the control panel. So now we know this. We're not going to need the control panel much anymore. So we're going to go back to FTP and delete the default PHP. I just click on it, press my delete key, and it's going to ask me to delete it. Of course I am. Now, the HT access, don't delete it, leave it be. That a lot of times protects your website, has a lot of settings you're not going to want to touch right now. So for the moment, just leave the HT access be. Doesn't bother anything. So the next thing is you have your website that you want to upload. And little piece of advice, always know where your web pages are. If you ask me, I can't tell you. You're the one who put them there. So I put mine in a little thumb drive called USB Extra, and I called it sample website. Now, if I haul this whole thing over, I'm going to get that folder involved where it says sample website. I don't want that. I want to go inside that folder. These are the actual pages: index.html, default.css, and it's got a little advertisement because this was a free page. That doesn't mean a thing. And as you can see, some images. See that? Now, if I want to go back, I just click that thing with the little double periods. Brings me back. I'm going to left click and hold. Select everything. See, I'm just moving my mouse up. Now, left click and hold. Move my mouse to the right until it's over this pane. Then I just let go. And it's all going to upload. Look on the bottom. That tells you your status of the upload. Goes through. Everything's there. Now to verify. Go into my website right here. See, I'm just going to refresh it now. And look at that. I have my brand new website. It's all here. Home, blog, photos, about, contact. Everything is here now. So what we've done with this is we have just downloaded our FTP software, FileZilla. We have put in the FTP address from 000 web host, and we have uploaded our website. This is one of the requirements for your final exam. Learn how to do this well in advance, and you're going to do just great. Let us know if you have any questions, and thank you very much, and have a great day.